Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kids and My Passion. Are you worried of your kids' behavior? Or you want to make them more responsible, self-reliant and build their confidence? Then the best way is preparing reward chore system. In today's video, you are going to see new way of creating chores for kids. Take a walnut, cut into 2 halves. The seeds of walnuts are rich in omega-3, magnesium, vitamin B1 and B6. It's a super rich food for kids' growth and brain development. Good for hair, skin and helps to keep the immune system stronger. So make sure you include this in their diets. Here I am using acrylic white color. First you color it. You can use 3D outliner or permanent markers. Draw the chores that you want your kids to be done daily or weekly. The best way to create is to sit with your child and create it together. Try to make it simple, clear and colorful. Now, let me show you how to do it. You can use sketches or color pens and you can make it colorful. It's done. Now, I am going to make a loop by using this thread. Like this, you need to make a loop. And over here, you can glue it. So, let me show you the chores which I made for my kids. Morning routines like washroom, brushing the teeth, and doing exercise. Doing exercise or cycling, it is done alternatively just to make them fit. The food time. Then study time. Prayer time, just to calm down their minds by listening to pleasant music. It's kids time. Cleaning time. Once they are done with playtime, they need to pack all their toys back to the same places. Siblings. Taking care of the younger ones by teaching or playing that builds their empathy. Family time. Spend quality time with your kids by playing, talking, watching film together, cleaning, dancing, cooking like that. Grandparents. Let them learn some moral values from their grandparents offline or online at least once in a week. So these are the daily chores activity which I have included daily as well as weekly basis. Use reward systems as kids enjoy receiving a concrete reward for accomplishment of their goals. Use age appropriate rewards like smileys, giving heart, stars, or else you can give them some stickers or some stamps for accomplishment of their works. Now you need a thermocol sheet, black sheet, some push pins. Stick the black sheet on the thermocol sheet like this. Now, after completing all his chores, it's time to giving a reward point. So this is the reward point which I am going to give. Hope this video is useful for you. If you are going to make this for your kids, please do share your comments and like the video. Thank you all. Have a nice day.